So you process the photo. We have our shade map. Let's take a closer look at our process menu. Here you have the shade guides. Just click here and you can pick any shade guide that you want. We have the original photo and the corrected one. And again, if you have processed the photo, which we have, you can put the region off or on. Then down below here are the results from our value map. And the important thing here to look at is the 3D master value group. It says here 1.5. So if you make a 1, it will probably be too bright. And if you make your restoration a 2, it may be too dark. So that's an important number as well. And if you go down below there, we have full screen. So let's go full screen. And then restart. Here. Click on restart. And you'd have to process the whole photo again. So that's our process menu button.